you and welcome to this video where we'll help you out how to create labels in Gmail and how you can send an email to that label. It's very easy to do this because right now here's standing labels and next to that is a plus icon where it says create new label. So we click on create new label and then we give this label name YouTube and then we do create. Right now we can click on the three dots right there and give this a color. So let's give this something between orange and red. And then from now we want to add something to this label, aka group. Right now we want to send this email from Block Pit Team to this label. So we click right here on selecting that email, three dots, label as YouTube. And then right now, if you can see, it got labeled. And if I now click here on my labels, the email is standing here in our label. So this is exactly how this works. Hopefully this was the video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.